UI Helicopter is a professional MRO company utilizing top-level technology for helicopter repair, maintenance, and overhaul. When an aircraft or a part comes into UI Helicopter, the mechanics from both the operator and UI Helicopter jointly inspect and discuss the work scope. When the inspection is completed, mechanics from each team begin the disassembly process. After disassembly, E&I examination and inventory is performed. Based on the E&I results, the necessary parts are purchased and the repair of parts is carried out. After maintenance and assembly, both UI Helicopter's inspector and the operator's mechanic perform the final inspection together. After final inspection, the parts go through an operational check. And the aircraft goes through a maintenance test flight. The maintenance test flight consists of 3 systematic test phases: grounding, hovering, and in-flight, for a total of about 15 hours.